Focus story in this broadcast is Kiran Rijiju versus Mukhtar Abbas Naqvi. What did Mukhtar Abbas Naqvi actually say that stirred a hornet's nest? He was speaking at Manthan Aaj Tak. Let's listen in.
कह रहा हूं कि अगर वो बीफ के व्यवसाय के बिना मर रहे हैं तो वो यहाँ तक जगह नहीं है इस देश में उनके लिए।
यानी आप कह रहे
ऐसे लोगों के लिए नहीं है।
आप मुझे कह रहे हैं जो देवनाथ
जिसको गौ माता कहते हैं, एक लोग पूजा करते हैं, आप उनकी हत्या के बिना नहीं रह सकते। आप या कोई भी व्यक्ति बीफ के मीट के खाए बिना मर रहा है तो पाकिस्तान चले जाइए, अरब चले जाइए और जगह पे दुनिया के और कोनों में मिलता है। आप जो है वो आप जो है वो इंसानी वसूलों को, इंसानी मान्यताओं को मार करके आप इस मुल्क में नहीं रह सकते।
बीफ को खाए बिना मरे जा रहे हैं तो पाकिस्तान जाइए. These were Mukhtar Abbas Naqvi, Minister of State for Minority Affairs. His exact words. I want to bring in Ravindra from Mysore, and Ravindra, tell us, you agree with Mukhtar Abbas Naqvi's point of view, or Kiran Rijiju's point of view says the government should not decide what an individual eats?
I agree with Mr. Kiran, because he is correct. This is a democratic country where we require the people to adjust themselves to whatever the existing is. So it is not that one should rule what you should eat or what I should eat. It is once food is another's poison, they should keep quiet on this and start working for the people of the country instead of talking all this shit. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Imran joins us from Assam. Imran, tell us your views on this controversy.
Yeah, hi. Well, my point is little bit different. Neither I agree with what Mukhtar Abbas Naqvi said, nor I agree to what Rijiju said. I would like to point that there is a sentiment attached with the slaughtering of cow with the Hindus. What I want to say is that let's have some protective umbrella type. If you want, hello.
Okay. Yes. Go on.
Yeah. If you want to have. If I want to eat beef, I should not like to come up with my Hindu friends or something in a Hindu society and slaughter the cows there. Instead of that, I should have a separate society. Personally or in a group, I would eat beef, and neither I should show it to the society as a whole. There should, in that way, I can respect the sentiment of Hindus.
Fair point you're making there. Imran, many thanks for joining me. I also want to bring in Mehtab Patel from Surat. Mehtab, tell us. Mehtab Patel joins us from London. Mehtab, tell us your views on this latest controversy.
Well, I am a citizen of India as well, but I am really very ashamed of our ministers making such remarks on the public podium, and all of us listening to him, wherein the government should really do something in the favor of the countrymen, of people of India, rather than banning or putting on the rights of what they should eat, what they should not eat. What is the difference between us as in India, which is a democratic country, and those Pakistan or other country where they are being forced to accept one religion or follow one set of calls? Well, it's a democratic country, with its own rights to do it, and in fact, government should more concentrate on the progress of the country rather than choosing what people should eat, what they should not eat. If
fair point you make there, Mehtab Patel, that the government should look at modernization and development of the country and not decide what people should be eating. Our next caller is Vishnu from Hyderabad. Vishnu, do you agree with Kiran Rijiju when he says that the issues of the sentiments of the majority should also be respected, or you agree with Mukhtar Abbas Naqvi?
Yes, I would really thank for bringing this discussion on the TV. It is democratic for anybody to behave as they like, but there are some restrictions in this country to carry on. Here, basically, India is an agriculturist country. Many people depend upon this country basically on oxen and bullocks for cultivation. And moreover, you make this point. Gomata is a substitute to the real substitute to the mother. Actually, many people, many children who did not have mothers, that means when they died or something like that. it was through the substitute milk, only through cow milk, the people used to be nourished and they would be brought up. Even now, without cow, without buffaloes, we people cannot live even for a day, for tea, for coffee, for milk, for curd, for cheese, and so many other things are being used by people. They are like there is no really substitute the oxen or cows or for the matter even buffaloes. Actually,
Okay.
yes, actually this what important matter I would like to discuss on this. Everyone should
Okay.
respect, and then there is no need to eat. Only discuss by actually some.
Okay.
What is the wrong in saying in the sentences
Okay,
of
the